Hello and welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. My name is AJ, one of the co-hosts here. I am quite ill at the moment, so just bear with me. But there's nothing really much to update you with on the technical side of things. The price hasn't moved much at all, so I'm just gonna give you an understanding of where I think the price is going to go in the shorter term and why I think that as well. And obviously, what I'm doing with that trade. If you've been following the channel, you will know that I do have that really nice short trade open as well that I showed you live on stream when I was entering it as well. So yeah, if you want to see more trades like that, and if you want me to continue to bring the technical analysis that I do bring, then please make sure you smash a like on this video, and then we're going to get straight on into the video. So getting on into the video, then taking a look at this chart here. This is the chart that I've been showing you for the past few days now, and I was looking at this possible sort of triangle pattern or pendant pattern. We can call it a triangle pattern now because we did actually break towards the upside, as you can see here. But we had this triangle pattern here, which did, as I said, which did break towards the upside. However, you know what I said in yesterday's video as well. There wasn't any volume coming in. Unless we could get the volume coming in, the price was most likely going to roll over. And it's the exact same scenario as what happened on this descending triangle on the daily chart as well. You know, we've seen the price break towards the upside, as you can see here, and push towards the upside. However, the volume wasn't there. So what happened? The price rolled over and came back down. And then we started to see lots of bearish volume coming into the market. So this is the exact same scenario that I'm looking at, just on a different time scale. Okay, so this is the 4 hour. So we've had that break towards the upside. There's absolutely no volume coming in, no bullish volume at all. So what am I expecting now for Bitcoin? Well, I'm expecting the price to roll over, break back below this, potentially come back down to the support here, and maybe even break that support, being, you know, a textbook fake out towards the upside. Because as I said, absolutely no volume coming in. Crypto Invest, good to see you back. Good day to you too. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at now. And we were looking at this range as well. So we are within this range on the 1 hour as well. As you can see, value area high to value area low, value area to value area low back here to value area high, value area low, possibly coming up to this value area high if we can get that volume coming in. But as I said, if we cannot get this volume coming in, then the price is most likely going to roll over and continue to fall towards the downside. Now, for me, you know, this is going to be a good thing because it's going to be a good thing for our short trade that we opened live on stream together. So this is going to be a good thing for the trade. As you can see, I have taken some profit. So I took 50% profit off of this trade, so $1,500 approximately in a profit, and there's still around $1,400 approximately in that trade. And as you can see, it's over 100% in a profit. So this was a really nice trade. And as I said, you know, I opened this trade up live on stream with you. So if you want to see more trades like this, then please make sure you smash a like on this video, so we can get this out to as many people as possible, and then I can continue to bring these trades to you and continue to be 100% transparent with everything, with every trade that I am taking. That's my goal here, to be 100% transparent with every single trade. We've taken 9 trades over the past 2 months. One of them was a losing trade, so 8 winning trades, 1 losing trade. You know, really good track record so far. Crypto Invest, my short is playing out. Also, what price did you enter? Let me know. Let me know what price you entered at. So yeah, Bitcoin for me, it's looking more of a fake out right now rather than a breakout towards the upside because, as I said, there's no volume coming in, as you can see down here. So for me, I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to actually roll over and come back towards the downside. Crypto Invest, yeah, smash the like button, people. Thank you very much. Now, I also want to show you the DXY. So the DXY has come to my target. As you can see here, I gave you a target. If we were to break this major support here, the next target for the DXY is around 105. And as you can see here, we hit that perfectly at this major support level, having a slight bounce off of this level. Now, this is a major level, as this was. So if we break a major level, the next level is the next major level. And that's where the price came down to. But right now, we're at another major level. So what I would expect from here is a lot of support coming in. And as you can see, support here, support here, support here, resistance right here, resistance right here as well. So this is a very critical level for the DXY. If it breaks below it, of course, that's going to be very good news for crypto. However, it might not be good news for crypto, and I'll get onto that in a moment. We have seen Bitcoin and the DXY sort of part ways. We know that they used to be inversely correlated, but over the past week, the past few days, we've seen the DXY pull back, but we've also seen Bitcoin pull back as well. So right now, for me, it's not a perfect example of where the price might go, because as we know, DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down, DXY comes down, Bitcoin goes up, but we're seeing the DXY come down and Bitcoin come down as well. So for me, it's not the best thing to be looking at, but the DXY, if it does hold support here and does see a nice bounce off of it, then we could see the DXY push towards this previous support, using it as resistance. And if we were to see that, I would expect that to be pretty bad for Bitcoin. I think it would be just another catalyst which pushes that price of Bitcoin down. And there is another reason why I think Bitcoin is going to continue to push towards the downside. First of all, well, two reasons, really, sorry. And, I've told you the first reason multiple times, because we've broken this major support on the weekly. When we break a major support on the weekly, the next thing the price does is move to the next major level. The next major level is actually coming in at 12,000, but there is a bit of support coming in at 14,000. So 14,000 would be the next target for me. But sort of the main story for today is, I know I'm more of a technical analysis, and I base my trades off of technical analysis, but we've got this. This is very, very big news coming in as well. BlockFi is reportedly preparing for layoffs and may file for bankruptcy as FTX implosion weighs on the crypto lender. This is not going to be good. Right now, it looks like it's sort of going to be a domino effect of these exchanges just toppling over. All because of FTX, all because of the implosion of FTX. Looking at it here, BlockFi is preparing for possible bankruptcy amid significant exposure to failed exchange, FTX WSJ report. So it's not looking good for BlockFi at all. And if BlockFi does file for bankruptcy, this is going to be very, very bearish for the crypto market as well. And this is just going to be another catalyst that is going to push that price down even further. And finally have that last capitulation event. That is what we need. We need to have this last capitulation event towards the downside, that last leg, even if it is just the 14,000, maybe even 12,000, maybe even 10,000. Okay. We just need to have that last leg down to flush out all those over leveraged companies, overexposed companies, and the companies that are taking big risk. They need to all be flushed out for the market to finally move towards the upside. So right now, I am still expecting lower, and especially with BlockFi potentially becoming bankrupt, then that's most definitely going to continue to push the price towards the downside as well. But looking at it from a technical standpoint, I do expect the price to come down anyway, because the volume isn't coming in. And we've had a break towards the upside. When we see this, I'll show you a perfect example here. This is exactly what happens. We have a fake out when the volume doesn't come in. When we have a breakout, the volume doesn't come in. The price, the majority of the time, tends to shift the other way, turn the other way. So that's what I'm expecting here. However, if we can stay above this previous resistance, using it as support, and then get that bullish spike in volume, then of course, yes, we can push towards the upside. And I would be looking at this area here at around $17,500 approximately, which I actually would be looking to short. There's a bit of a cluster of resistance there. But of course, there is a possibility, but we need that bullish volume coming in to push that price up there. If the bullish volume isn't coming in, then the price just isn't going to it isn't going to be pushed up there, and we're going to see that price roll over and possibly come down to 14,000. That's sort of the next target. I've showed you on this weekly chart here. That's the next target I've got. It's a major monthly level that's been respected on the weekly. Support back here, perfect resistance back there as well. So that's why I'm looking at this level being the next major level. So I think that's everything I've got for you. I wanted to keep this quick, under 10 minutes. B2B, South Africa, what's up? Good to see you here. Crypto Invest, $16,900 entry price. Yeah, that's a good entry. I'll have another one entered at 17,400, not filled. Yeah, I would be if the price came up to $17,500. Well, starting off at around $17,480, I would most likely start shorting from there. This is a big resistance level that I'm looking at, a major resistance previously as well. So that would be a shorting area. But I don't expect the price to go up there unless we do have that bullish volume in. So, yeah, if we can't get that bullish volume in, we're going to roll over. We're already starting to see that right now. And then we're going to have probably that last capitulation event because of this pattern right here. Potentially, this could be the pattern that takes us to the bottom of the bear market. If this is a confirmed fake out, then we're going to see the price roll over, pull back, potentially down to 14,000, maybe even 12,000, 10,000. So, yeah, just got to be very aware of that if you are looking at entering any long positions because of the break towards the upside. Right now, long positions are the last thing on my mind. All I'm thinking about is shorting and adding to my short position. I want to find I want to find another reason to add back into this short position. I've taken profit. It's always good to take profit along the way, but you can always put those profits back into the trade. That's a strategy that you can use, and that is a strategy that I am most likely going to use. So if this is a confirmed fake out and we come back down to this support level here, which as you can see has been major support here as well, and if we break that level with volume or retest, rejection with volume, then yes, I'm going to add back into this short position, increase the size of this short position, and hopefully ride that all the way down to the bottom of the bear market. So as I said, that's all I've got for you today. That's what I'm looking at. Of course, if anything changes, I will come live. You will be the first people to know about it. And yeah, if there's any updates today, of course, I'll bring that to you. If not, then I will most likely see you tomorrow. So thank you very, very much for giving me your time and watching this. And yeah, please make sure you smash a like on the video, and I can continue to bring these trades that I'm bringing you, which have been really, really, really profitable over the past 2 months. So make sure you smash a like on this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next live stream. Thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, and I will see you in the next live. Thank you very much.